Hi, I'm Rosalind Wood-Morris and I'm the Deputy Principal of Curriculum Innovation at Sacred Heart College. Today, the 18th of March, we kick off with our project-based learning called STEAM. Over the last 3 years, our teachers have been developing our own project-based curriculum. Here, teachers collaborate across learning areas to produce projects that address real-life problems and real-life solutions. Our students then collaborate on these projects to find those solutions. We wish everyone a happy and exciting and innovative STEAM project period.